morning, students. Welcome to KR Income Memorial CBSE School. This is your third standard English class. I am your Akshita Miss. Okay, students. In the last class, we came to know about the new words, and once we have read the second unit of your second term, that is in the orchard. So today we will start the unit. So in the unit, what they have given and what they wanted to tell us about the orchard, we will start it today. So before starting the lesson, we have to do this starter kit. So here in the starter kit, they have given work with your partner and name as many fruits as you can. So here they have given some of the fruits. So what we have to do, we have to see name of the fruits also they have given, but the fruits name and the pictures of the fruits, they are not correct. So what we have to do, we have to join the correct name with the correct fruit picture. So first one, see, look at the first picture. So look at that this first picture, which fruit picture it is. Yes, can you identify this one? Yes, of course we can. Why? Because we have seen this fruit. So which fruit it is? Yes, it is an orange. Where the orange word it is? Yes, see here, the third word. The third word is orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. So the third word is orange. The first picture is of orange. Which fruit it is? Yes, it is orange. So you have to write orange. You have to make the mark with the first picture with the word orange. So look at the second picture. So look at the second picture. Which fruit it is? See how big fruit it is and how is it? By seeing this picture, can you identify this picture? Which fruit this is? Yes, of course, correct. So this picture is of watermelon. So where is the watermelon? The word watermelon, where they have given? Yes, the fourth word. So the first picture is of orange. So first picture is orange. Okay, second picture is watermelon. So what is the spelling of watermelon? W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. So watermelon. So look at the third picture. So which fruit it is? Third picture. Which fruit it is? Look at the third picture. Yes, it is pineapple. So the third picture is pineapple. Pineapple. So we have seen the pineapple, haven't you? Yes, we have. Okay. Look at the fourth picture. See the red colored fruit it is. So which fruit it is? Yes, it is an apple. So which fruit? It's an apple. So fourth picture is of mango. So which picture it is? It is of mango. So the fourth picture is of mango. So fifth picture is of pear. Have you seen the fruit pear? Yes, this fruit is known as pear fruit. So the last fruit is of plum. So last fruit is known as plum. So you have to join the pictures with the correct words. So students, make it up. So join the words with the picture. Okay. These are all names of the fruits. So orange is also a fruit, watermelon is also a fruit, pineapple is also a fruit, apple, mango, pear, plum, all these are names of a fruit. So they have given fruit name in the sense the lesson it is about fruit only. So the headline of the lesson it suggests us that in the orchard in the sense it is a land of fruit trees. So the fruit trees land is known as orchard. So students, here we came to know some words of some names of the fruits. So let us see what the lesson it wants to tell us, what it wants to convey us. Let us see. So now get set. So let us start the unit. Okay. Apples and other fruits grow on plants and trees. Farmers grow these plants and trees in their orchards. An orchard is an area of land used for growing fruit trees. So students, here, see here, an apple and other fruits. So there are so many fruits. There are so many fruits are there. So we have seen so many kinds of fruits. Apple, whether it may be apple, it may be orange, it may be pineapple, it may be guava, it may be watermelon, or it may be pear, plum, or it may be banana. All these fruits, we have seen all these fruits where they grow in the plant or trees. See here, orange it grows in a plant. So the orange it has not plant in a tree. Orange, these fruit they grow in trees. So watermelon they grow in plants, bushes. Okay, and pineapple it grow in plants, apple it grow in trees, mango it grow in trees, pears they grow in trees, plum it grow in trees. So by this what we come to know? We come to know that the fruits they not only apple, all the fruits they grow, whether they grow in plants or in trees. So they grow in plants or in trees. So farmers what they do? So growing the fruit is commercial. Fruits are commercial crops. So fruits they are commercial crops. So what the fruit they want to do? We can sell the fruits and get money from selling the fruits. So it can be said as commercial crop. So farmers what they do? Farmers they grow plants and trees of fruits. So where the farmers they grow plants and trees of fruits, that land is known as an orchard. So the land in an area, in one area, if the farmer or someone else, farmer not only farmer he grows, so someone else we can say. So if anyone grows lot of plants and trees of fruit, that area is known as orchard. So students, what is orchard here? An area in orchard is an area of land used for growing fruit trees. For the area in which area which area or land it is used for growing the plants or trees of fruit is known as orchard. So students, take it down. So orchard, we have to know the orchard. So why because the headline is about the orchard. So first our business is that we have to know the orchard. So take the meaning of orchard. An orchard is an area. Orchard is an area of land. So it's land, field, area of land used for growing trees. Used for growing fruit trees. This is known as an orchard. So take this definition, this meaning. What does it mean by orchard? We have to know. So students, in your book they have given it, the meaning of the orchard they have given it. So let us continue the lesson. So see here, we came to know what is an orchard. So in the lesson what they wanted to tell us, let us see. Read and enjoy. they have given something about the orchard. So let us read and enjoy given story. Down in the orchard, it is harvest time. Up the tall ladder, the fruit picker climb. So in orchard, see here students, in this picture we can see they have given clear picture of an orchard. How the orchard it may be. It may be how it looks, what kind of trees there are in the land. So see here students, they have given a land. Here in this land, the area of land, what kind of trees there are? There are what kinds of trees? Yes, there are fruit trees. Only we can see fruit trees in that land. So here, so when it is harvest time, yes, for every crop there is harvest time. So what does it mean by harvest? So I have told you harvest time in the sense the time of the year when crops are cut and gathered. So the season when the crop is cut and gathered together, that is known as harvesting. So see here we can see wheat harvest, chava harvest, and so many kinds of harvest we have. So harvest in the sense the year, in once a year what we do, we grow the crop, and once a year what we do, we cut that crop and gather that crop together and sell that crop. So here also in the orchard also we can have the harvest. So we are growing the trees, and we are growing the fruits, and the tree they have filled with filled with the fruits. They have given so many fruits to us. So now what we have to do, we cannot leave those fruits in the tree only. Why? Because we want that fruits. Why? Because we have grown the trees because to get the fruits. So now the tree is filled with the fruits. So fruits we want to take. So what we have to do? We have to pluck the fruits. So how we have to we pluck? Down in the orchard, it's harvest time. So now it is the time of harvesting in the orchard. So now see here in the picture, the trees they are filled with the fruit. So now what they want to, the farmer what he wants to do the harvest. Now he wants to do the harvest. It is the time of harvesting. So how the trees they are tall, so we cannot touch them easily. So what we have to do to pluck those fruits? What we have to do? We have to take a ladder, and the picker, the one who picks those fruits are known as, that person is known as a picker. See here, this person what he is doing? He is taking the fruit from the tree. So he is plucking the fruit from the tree. So this person he is known as a plucker. So how he is plucking? With the help of a ladder. He climbed up on the ladder and he is plucking the fruits. So with the help of the ladder, up the tall ladders. So the trees they are tall. We cannot pluck the fruits by standing on the ground. Why? Because the tall trees are there. So with the help of ladders, we can pluck the fruits. So the plucker he plucks the fruits by using tall ladder, and by climbing upon the ladder he used to pluck the fruits. So see here, among green branches that sway overhead, apples are hanging all rosy and red. See here here they are saying us that look at these trees, how they are looking. What is the color of those trees? Yes, green. So the branches of the trees are green. So in those branches, green branches that sway overhead. So here the plucker he is standing under the tree, and those branches, green branches, they are swaying, they are moving softly over the head of the plucker. So when it is wind, when there is wind, there is air, then what happens? The trees, they swing, they move their branches softly. How they move? They move over our head. So like that only, the pickers, on the picker's head, upon the over the picker's head, the green branches of the trees, they were swaying. And see, look at the picture, and the fruit in the trees, the fruit, how they are looking, how beautifully they are looking, how beautiful appearance they have. So apples are hanging all rosy and red. So see, in those green branched trees, apples, they are hanging. See this. For example, let me rub it. I will see. One example, one picture I will draw on the board. So let us see. So think that this one is a tree. So this one is a tree, and so many trees are there in the orchard. So many trees are in the orchard. Not orchard in the sense, not only one thing. It may be, if the orchard means it has so many of trees of fruits. So in these trees, we can see apples. So apples, how they are looking? They are hanging. So they are hanging in the trees. So all the branches of the trees, they have apples, they have fruits. So see, like this they are hanging. So all the branches, they have fruits. How the fruit, which kind of fruit they are telling us? Apples. So those apples, they are seeming like hanging all rosy and red. See, what is the color of apple? Usually, yes, also there is green apple, but which apple we most of the apples colors we can see in red and rosy color. So the red and rosy color, see here in the picture, which color apple they have given? Red and rosy color apple they have given. So these red and rosy color apple, they are appearing too beautiful. So they are hanging hanging in the apple trees and looking very nice. Looking, the color of the apple are rosy and red, rosy red. So the red color rose we have seen. So like that color, the dark red, the apple they are seeing. So students, we came to know how the apple, they are swaying on the hanging in the trees. So students, what happens next? How the fruit they looks like, and what the picker he does with those apples, we will see it in the next class.